Hello, how are you? I'm alive still. I'm going through the ranks at the moment, as people would say, so I thought what will make me feel better? Making brownies. We're using a mix today because it's a Saturday and I'm just not up to doing it from scratch. So we're using a Missa delightfully gluten-free organic chocolate brownie mix, and it's vegan. Woo woo. Right, so all I've done is get it and put it in this bowl. There was chocolate chips in this. There isn't any more, so I'm gonna pop some almond butter in it. Add a bit of spice, as some may say. Right, so I need to preheat oven. Preheat oven. Right, melted butter. Oh, I need to melt butter. 2 eggs or flax seed. Who has flax seeds just in their house, you know? Not me. And milk and stir until smooth. Pour in a tray and bake for 25 minutes. Right, let's get some ingredients. I think we just put it in a bowl now. I've got oil instead of egg, so hopefully that works. Fingers crossed. In goes the butter. That's a lot of butter. What's next? 2 eggs. I'll do about a tablespoon of oil. This is a teaspoon, by the way. Right, a tablespoon of oil done. And now the milk. 125 millilitres of milk. I can't be bothered to measure that. Oh, hold on. I've got measurements on the back of me Christmas spatula. I love this thing. It says 158 millilitres is, that's a teaspoon. 32 teaspoons. 32 teaspoons. Well, it says 118 millilitres is 24. So if I do about 28 teaspoons. Oh, Jesus Christ. Right, better get started. $26. Yeah, we'll stop at 26. That's so much liquid. Let's pop some nut butter of some sort. This is like a mix between peanut butter and almond butter. Teaspoon. That's not a teaspoon, but we'll go with it. That's about a tablespoon. Right, there's about 3 tablespoons of that in there. And now we mix. Oh my God, that's so liquidy. Right, we're finished mixing. Now we put in the tins. Oh, how am I gonna... Good job I washed my hands before this. I hate the feel of oil. I hate it. I hate it. No! No. It's going everywhere. Yeah, that'll do. It's really flat. Right, I'm putting these in the oven. Hello again. So it's been about 25 minutes. Ta-da! I did have to cut away the sides because I burnt them. How? We shall never know. But, done and dusted. Brownies all round. And gluten-free. And vegan. And flaxseed-free because nobody has that in their cupboard willingly. Until then, cheers and bye.